everyone. So today we are out here at the edge of the hayfield doing some storm cleanup. Lost some trees, we lost the hay wagon. We're cleaning things up today. It's going to be time to cut some more hay, probably in another day and a half. So we need to get the edge of this field cleaned up. Husband's using his Husqvarna 576 XP chainsaw. If you're looking for a chainsaw for yourself, these are great numbers. It has a 24-inch bar. He actually just lowered it down to a 20-inch bar. We don't do a whole lot that needs the 24-inch, but it's good to have. His thought is save a little money on those chains by having secondary, by having the original bar on the shelf if he needs it. He sharpens the chains, they last quite a while. We did find that a lot of the chains are not quite the same, and there's a homeowner size version at Tractor Supply. Those chainsaws run about $500, and we've had ours for about 4 years now. They run about $900 at this point. So this is a dead ash tree. If you're familiar with our area at all in Michigan, the emerald ash borer came around and infected and killed all the trees. Ash is a real good hardwood. Used to be real good for timbering and building, for lumber. They just sit on the edge of these fields, dead. Of course, it's recommended not to move firewood. Keep it in your region. As far as I know, any insect epidemic from it is over. This was years ago that it happened. And of course, a tree this size takes a lot. So there's no way for us to cut through that whole thing. The plan is to clean up the edge of the woods. We'll just let it stay there and be an animal home until it decomposes a bit. Maybe we'll be able to bust it up or move it with a backhoe someday. Pick it up. It can be hard keeping little guys motivated and seeing what needs to be done, especially in this tall brush. The grass hay is taken off. So we're separating out all the brush from the good burning wood, good kindling. It'll just go on the pile. And all this will get used for maple syruping. So we looked around a lot last year. We had a chain go bad that he needed to be replaced. And these chains are highly available online for quite a discount, but you have to make sure that it is the correct chain by your stock number. So definitely look into that if you are getting a saw. Look into the replacement costs for bars and chains to make sure that you're getting into something that is doable for you long term. I was looking for a saw just for myself, so that I can be here helping instead of standing around. And you know, $500 for a secondary saw that's lightweight. These are very heavy saws. So we looked at the versions at Tractor Supply the other day, and I really didn't feel that $500 was doable for us just to have the ability to be able to pitch in and help until we're doing a lot of logging or a lot of firewood. This is just a way for us to do it with one saw. The kids are good helpers. Miss Bethy's out here picking alfalfa flowers. It's just a nice sunny day, right at the cusp of fall. Okay, sir, tell me what you're doing. What you got?
Touched the fence just a touch and saw a spark or two.
Yeah.
We'd cut a lot, so I just thought I'd touch it up. Just run this file through these, see where it cuts. That little edge right there cuts the chip and it throws it because of that angle. And you see this little line here? That's the angle. So I just went through here and touched these up, and a few of them did have some roughness, and as soon as it turns smooth again, that's just when I quit.
So besides being dull, how do you know when you need new chain?
It just won't cut very good anymore. It slows right down. It tries to get hot. So it didn't get to that point, but I didn't.
And how do you tighten the chain?
Your little multi-tool here. And there's a threaded rod right here that's plastic.
Yeah.
And you loosen up your bar right here just a little bit. And when you turn this, it pushes, this screw pushes on the bar. So when you push the bar out, it lifts that chain right back up into the groove, and it doesn't take much. But we'd run it pretty hard and cut quite a bit. So.
Do chains fall off of chainsaws?
Yeah, if they get too loose and you hit something on an angle, and being dumb with them, guys will throw the chain off.
Or trying to use a saw that's too heavy for you. How much does this saw weigh?
I can't remember. I think it was...
It's heavy though.
It's about twice as much as normal.
Yeah.
It's a little homeowner one.
Yeah.
But I can't remember the poundage.
Now...
It's a little lighter now and easier to handle because we've got a little more.
And this is just for your gas mix, the bar and chain oil?
No, that lubricates this groove right here in the chain. It lubricates the chain and this groove.
I see.
That's like gear oil. It's the bar and chain oil is basically gear oil with some type of a rubberized additive, they call it. And it makes that tackiness that makes it stick. So you can make your own bar and chain oil if you can find the additive.
I see. But it's just easier to just go buy a jug.
Yeah, you still gotta buy the other anyway. You still gotta buy gear oil.
Yep.
If you need your own, but good. So, because I touched that fence and saw a spark or two, I touched up the chain, I'll just refill these. On quit.
Alright, so this is the wood that we cut today. Got a good start on that maple syrup wood. Got it all stacked up, stored on pallets. So we put it under some walnut trees with some wood that we cut about a week and a half ago with that last pile that we started. And then I found he had another section. This is where he moved that generator at. He's got another section of a bunch of logs back there already cut and ready to go to turn into firewood. So we were kind of climbing over there and discovered that we had a whole bunch of garbage in the creek. We did a spring cleanup of the creek years ago. Be stewards of your land, keep it clean. Thumbs up for this video. We're going to clean up this creek area. We've been pulling stuff out. We've got an entire truckload full. We've got more work to do. So we'll see you all next time. And remember to hit that notification bell. Oh, the sun is in my eyes so bad. Hit the notification bell and we will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Step back for a minute, Murdoch. Jack, you need to help pick up the sticks.